Hi beauties, this is Emma and welcome on my YouTube channel. Well, today's plan is to trade on pocket option, share every step of this journey with you, hopefully make a lot of money and have tons of fun. You know the drill, that's how I do it, that's how we do it, this is how we roll. Okay, so let's get started and let's find out what today's session is going to be about. First of all, candles and one for the time frame. I'm going to enable the timer and I'm going to pick my superheroes of the day. I'm going to need Zigzag, I'm going to need Vortex. Yeah, that is a very powerful duo, but in order to make it work like I wanted to, I'm going to go through the detailed settings. All right, that looks good. Now I'm gonna need something else here, and that something else is a parallel channel to better help us identify the trend. Okay, and my first bait, I'm gonna keep it at 75 bucks, and let's go right away. There is a strong bounce from the support upwards. The zigzag is showing growth, and there is a room to move up to the resistance. So that's going to be a call option. Let's go right in there. Darlings, and if you are eager to learn profitable strategies and grow your trading account, I got you covered. There's a link below this video, and that is the link to my fabulous Telegram channel where I share the most profitable strategies, unique insights, and powerful signals to make sure you really are on top of your trading game. So do not forget to check that out. Yes, even further up. Amazing. $144 is my first profit, and it is a great one. I love it. Next asset pair, and let's figure out our next move. Well, I'm going to increase the bid, 144 bucks for this one, and I see that the oscillator is showing momentum and zigzag is continuing the uptrend without any pullbacks. So that's gonna be a call option once again. Let's go up. I got this gorgeous silk, I think it's a dress, could be a robe for what I know, in Indonesia. And I started thinking like, what are my favorite souvenirs from my travels? And I think my favorite souvenirs are clothes. You know, something local, something handmade preferably, something unique, something you cannot get anywhere else. I love to travel and I love to shop. So these two things is working great together. You know, anywhere I go, yay, $276.48. I shop anywhere I go, and that makes me very nostalgic, you know, when I come back home and I pull out the stuff I bought. Okay, next asset pair, I'm gonna stay focused on my trades, and $276.48 for the next bid. And I see the bounce within the downtrend, and I'm expecting a further decline. You see, the oscillator and the indicator both confirm the drop, and that's option down, darlings. We are so going down. It's fun to collect great things and great profits. Of course, $530. Wonderful. Simply wonderful. Gonna need some extra help here. Do not be afraid to use the extra tools at your disposal, because when you are uncertain about the market situation, they really do help. All right, so I know what's happening. Let's increase the bid. $350 is my next bid. And I can see that a rectangle range is forming. You see, the price rebounds from the lower edge, and I'm expecting a move up. So that's a clear call option. Let's go all the way up. All the way up. Guys, if you want to learn how trading really works and you love the sound of educational approach to strategy, you should definitely check out my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video. And my profits, look at that, $654.50. They speak for themselves. Wonderful, fascinating result. Let's keep going. Okay, what's the history of this pair? That should work. I'm going to increase the bid to $550. And you see, there's a strong bearish candle with the long upper wick near the resistance. And Vortex gives us a short signal, so I'm expecting a further drop, and I'm going for a put option here. All the way down. Yes, and so it happened. $1,056. Remember my first bid? 75. And we are over $1,000 now. Let's do another one. A good chance it will work. $1,341 for the next one. And a very strong bullish trend here, a very strong one, without any major pullbacks. You see the Zigzag and Vortex both gave us buy signals. And what do? Yes, we go for a call option. Let's get it up. You know, so many years I've been trading, but I never get tired of this. I just never. It never gets boring. And the profits never cease to surprise me. $2,575.37. Guys, truly a fantastic result. I started so small, even below 100. I had $75 for my first bid, and I ended up with that $2,500. And I hope you find this video useful. But if you are interested in digging even deeper and learning how trading really works and growing your trading account, building consistent profits, I got my very special Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, so make sure you go and check it out, because that's the one thing you are never going to regret. It's been wonderful. I love you so much. Thank you for your support, and thank you for all your comments. I read it all. I see it all. I try to reply to each and every of them. And I cannot wait to see you back here again very, very soon. Bye.